आपने भैया कभी कॉन्डम यूज़ किया है? आपने कभी कॉन्डम यूज़ किया है? तो आप अब बिना उसके करते हो? So what's the first word which comes to your mind when I say the word condom?
Good sex.
Weird.
Taboo?
Sex.
Sex, obviously.
Safe sex. What do I care? I'm just getting lucky.
Have you ever been to a chemist to buy a condom?
Plenty of times.
Yeah.
But I have never sex so.
I'm talking on the phone and I go like, "Bhaiya, condom दे दो," and I walk out.
मैं उसे बोला भैया वो डिब्बा दे दो मैं
बस दे
चलाऊंगा
दो।
तुम दे दो
गए और बोला जो condom दे।
It was awkward for him to give me a condom. He was like, "What the fuck? Why she needs a condom?"
That's my
People
point.
will
कोई
go-
बताना नहीं चाहता तुम कर रहे हो।
Yes, I have. I was a little shy, but then I was like, what the fuck, bro? Give me condom. He gave me a pack of 3. I only used 2.
I bought my first condom when I was 16.
No, I buy balloons for playing. It's more fun with other condoms.
So you think it'll be fun when 9 months later, like you're what 18 years old and you already become a dad and you have all the responsibilities of a child?
That'll be bad.
No girl wants to get like fucked up having a pop-up, like
But-
popping up a pill or something like that.
मैं आईपीएल में क्या 72 घंटे जान बचाओ?
हाँ,
आगे
उसके
बढ़ो।
बाद जो फिर अगले महीने जो लड़की की 72 घंटे लगी होती है ना, उसके बारे में जान तुम नहीं बचा सकते ना। You really could have put that in.
देखा है?
हाँ देखा है
फ्लेवर्स का कोई सीन होता है?
नहीं मतलब सिर्फ देखा है छाटा थोड़ी ना है
What flavor do you think girls prefer?
Girls are a big fan of new taste, like tutti frutti types, something new. Condom companies are also coming up with really weird flavors like popcorn, pistachio, as I said.
Popcorn तो that must be for movie halls. Like if you wanna have
Yeah,
sex
yeah, in a
halls,
movie
right?
hall. That'll be crazy.
Corner seats,
Corner
single
seats
screen.
with popcorn.
हो जाओ वहीं पे शुरू
शुरू
हो जाओ, रख के उसे
हो जाए शुरू
हो जाए
हाँ,
शुरू।
हो जाए शुरू
I think it's pointless to have flavors in condoms because no one would like to do anything with a fucking rubber on. Love you too, baby.
Why would you give someone a blowjob when they're wearing a condom?
तुम्हें इतना ही शौक है रबड़ ले लो मुंह में उंगली पे डाल के राइट?
वाह बड़ा मस्त है ओ
कोई आइडिया नहीं
कोई आइडिया नहीं तूने मुंह में नहीं लिया है?
I prefer, like girls prefer chocolate.
You prefer?
Not me, but
You
girls
prefer.
prefer chocolate.
he prefers pista
Pistachio.
pista
What is the point of a fucking banana flavored condom? Why would you put a fucking banana on a banana?
Banana shake आएगा ना बाद।
Banana shake आएगा ये वो तो killer man. You think that installing condom vending machines will make life easier and less awkward?
A lot of people are uncomfortable buying them. I think vending machines are the best idea.
You're asking me whether it is easier to go to bank and withdraw cash or go to an ATM and withdraw cash.
condom vending machine से भी लिया है
Vending machine कहाँ पे मिली? When you become a dad, you're going to give your son a condom or
Yeah, I
even
would.
your daughter.
Yes, I would.
That's good to hear. We should not have double standards here. You know what a condom is called in Hindi?
ठंड का टोपा
Nirod. Next time you go to a chemist, you say, "Bhaiya, Nirod चाहिए." What is called in Nigeria? Penis hat. It's better than calling it chhatri, right?
Yeah, come on, like
And a lot of people call it chhatri.
penis cap. Makes sense.
Yeah. Penis hat, Pizza Hut. It's all same. Fucking hate Pizza Hut. इंडिया में कितने लोग सेक्स एजुकेशन से वाकिफ हैं?
10% भी मैंने एक बहुत अपर लिमिट के साथ बोला है.
You are selfish and mean if you're not using a condom to your partner. Then you're not caring for your partner because you're only interested in an enjoyment without accountability. I know someone who contracted sexually transmitted disease. If you have syphilis or gonorrhea, peeing gets extremely painful. Human emotions are motivated more by pain than pleasure. And for girls, I'm telling this: you will be left alone with your problem. And it will be difficult to find solution if the person with whom you are indulging with is not supportive. For newbies, rookies to this world, not exposed and very excited, be safe.
कोई condom है हमारे पास? है?
I think I used it, man. Sorry. You know how to use a condom also? How to
क्या बोल रहा है
Do not piss me off. Use a condom. Be safe.
ओए लाइक करो हमें, शेयर करो हमें और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।